Today, we're checking out the CMF Phone 1, known for its sleek design and budget-friendly price. Let's see what it offers. This review isn't sponsored. I bought the phone for 14,999 Indian rupees to provide an honest opinion. Note, the package was pre-opened by Flipkart delivery, but everything seemed intact. The packaging of the CMF Phone 1 is sleek and minimal, featuring a blue box that perfectly complements the vegan leather blue backplate I chose. Inside the box, we're greeted with the phone itself, wrapped in a protective film that highlights its key features.
Beneath the phone, we have the essentials: a USB Type-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and some paperwork. Notably, there's no charging adapter included, which aligns with recent industry trends. Now, let's take a closer look at the phone.
The phone feels solid yet lightweight in hand, weighing approximately 197 grams. The display is a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and Full HD+ resolution. Now, let's talk about performance. So we put the CMF Phone 1 to the test with Asphalt Legends Unite, and it delivered a buttery-smooth gaming experience. Thanks to the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor and 8GB of RAM, gameplay ran seamlessly at high graphics settings. The game is capped at 60 FPS, but the phone handled it effortlessly, and we believe it could achieve higher frame rates if not for the game's restriction. The 120Hz refresh rate made the visuals incredibly smooth, and the stereo speakers added an immersive audio experience. For mobile gamers, this phone delivers performance above its price point.
I also purchased a light blue-edged case for the CMF Phone 1. The sides are clear, and the screen protector comes pre-applied, offering added protection without compromising on the phone's sleek look. If you're interested in the case, I'll link it in the description below.
Switching the backplate is straightforward, simply detach the existing cover and snap on the new one. This modularity also provides easier access to internal components, potentially aiding in repairs. However, it's important to note that while the backplate is user-removable, other internal repairs may require professional assistance. The phone feels solid yet lightweight in hand, weighing approximately 197 grams. The display is a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and Full HD+ resolution. The punch-hole camera adds a modern touch to this design. I decided not to purchase any additional accessories for the CMF Phone 1 due to their prices being high. Here are some available options.
Next, we tested the network performance using the Ookla Speed Test app. On 5G connectivity, the CMF Phone 1 clocked impressive speeds, making it ideal for streaming, online gaming, and downloading large files on the go.
I used a 100 megabits per second internet connection for these tests, paired with a Wi-Fi for router operating on the 5 GHz band. Despite the older router standard, the network speeds were fantastic, demonstrating the phone's excellent connectivity capabilities.
It also supports Wi-Fi 6, ensuring faster and more stable connections even in crowded networks. If you're always online, this phone won't disappoint.
Now, let's talk about the software. The CMF Phone 1 runs on Nothing OS 2.6, offering a near-stock Android experience with some cool customization options. During setup, the phone breezed through app installations and initial updates. There's minimal bloatware, and the UI feels snappy and intuitive. Features like dynamic widgets and gesture controls enhance usability.
Plus, with a promised 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security patches, this phone is future-proof for years to come.
Now, let's dive into the camera. The CMF Phone 1 features a 50-megapixel Sony rear sensor with optical image stabilization and a 16-megapixel front camera. The results? Crisp and detailed photos in both daylight and low-light conditions. For video, it supports 4K recording at 30 FPS, and the footage is smooth, thanks to the stabilization. The front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls, delivering vibrant and sharp results. Battery life is another strong point. The CMF Phone 1 packs a 5000 mAh battery that comfortably lasts a full day with moderate to heavy use. And when you're low on power, the 33-watt fast charging gets you back up quickly. However, remember that the charging adapter is not included in the box, so you'll need to use an existing one or purchase it separately. So, is the CMF Phone 1 worth it? Absolutely! From its stunning design and smooth performance to its versatile camera and excellent battery life, this phone delivers exceptional value for its price. If you're looking for a mid-range smartphone that punches above its weight, the CMF Phone 1 should be at the top of your list. What are your thoughts on the CMF Phone 1? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel for more reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!